I'm Dr. Blissenbach, and I'm with Blissful Wellness Medical Weight Loss Centers. Yes, a diabetic can certainly do the HCG diet. The diet has been modified, however, to accommodate the different lifestyles that the diabetics need to follow. Diabetics need to have sugar distributed evenly throughout the day so that their sugars don't get low when they take insulin and multiple pills. So what I've done is design the diet so that they have more fruit strategically placed, as well as certain supplements that we have that have a little bit more carbohydrate than others, so that evenly throughout the day they get the same amount of carbohydrate. Many of our diabetics are coming off their insulin, they're coming off their cholesterol medications, their blood pressure medications. They do extremely well on our diets. They are seen by a provider every single week, whether it be a PA, a nurse, a physician, but that is so that their sugars remain above 100, above 120, so they do not get hypoglycemic, and so that we can intervene, since we are medically oriented with our practices, so that we can intervene and make sure that their sugars do not drop low, they don't get hypoglycemic, and they don't get into trouble. The one type of diabetic that we watch much more closely, and I strategize things even more structured for, is the type 1 diabetic, because they have more of a chance of getting into something called ketoacidosis. For those diabetics, I see them exclusively every time. There are very few of these in the population. I work with their endocrinologist to give them even more structure, more carbohydrate tailored to their specific needs. So there is absolutely no problem with the diabetic doing our diet. In fact, those are the type of patients that need our diets the most, because they need to come off of their medications, and once they become the right weight, their ideal body weight, they no longer are diabetic. 75% of the population do not need to be diabetic, and losing weight will afford them the ability to come off all their medications. So they are a great candidate for our diets, especially the HCG diet. Please come visit us at getskinnyjacks.com, and please feel free to like us on Facebook.